So yeah, so we're all just done with our ALS and we've all passed. It's 100% here. So yeah, I'm going to pass on the mic and everyone's going to say a bit about how the course was. It was great on my side. Handing it over to Nikhil.
Yeah, the teaching was amazing. The students as well were even more amazing, and overall we had a fantastic experience, and it's definitely recommendable for all aspirants who want to do the ALS course.
Yeah, I came here thinking that the course might be really difficult, but I don't know. I mean, they made it very simplified and informative, and more than that, I got to gel up with a lot of people over here, which is the greatest thing. I like meeting people personally. So, ALS course was really good in totality. Yeah.
The trainers are really friendly, excellent teaching.
The course was good and fantastic.
It was a fun time and we got to learn and meet a lot of friends. Thank you.
The trainers were really good and made us feel really comfortable. Therefore, we could learn more. Thank you.
Yeah, it was an amazing course. Very nice experience. I feel like everybody should do ALS in Bangalore only, not anywhere else. Only in Bangalore.
The ALS from Go Campus was a really wonderful experience for me. I would recommend this to anyone. Adiboli.
It was a very informative course, and it was put across very in a very fun manner, and they were very interactive.
We're all aspiring to work in the UK, so it's an important career CV boost for us and good networking event as well.
I think it was very interactive and hands-on, and the food was good, which was an added plus point.
I really enjoyed the training, and especially the trainers. They conducted the course really well, and I got to meet a bunch of nice people. So, good stuff.
Yeah, overall it was a very great opportunity to learn, and the instructors were really good and very friendly, so I really enjoyed the course. Thank you.